Samsung is working on exciting new camera features, and one of the standout additions to the Galaxy S25 series is AI filters. This tool, powered by Galaxy AI, allows users to create custom filters enhancing photos with unique styles and effects. But if you don't have a Galaxy S25, you might be wondering if this feature will be available on older devices. According to recent leaks, Samsung could be planning to bring AI filters to previous Galaxy models through the One UI 7 update. A well-known source, Taran Vats, recently shared that AI filters may not be limited to the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has already made this feature available for the Galaxy S24 lineup as part of the fourth beta update of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Reports suggest that AI filters could also reach Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series smartphones launched in 2021 or later. If this information is accurate, many Samsung users will get to experience this AI-powered feature without needing to upgrade to the latest flagship model. The expected list of supported devices includes several of Samsung's premium smartphones. On the Galaxy S series, the update may extend to the Galaxy S21, S22, S23, and S24 models. For foldable devices, the feature might be available on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, and the upcoming Z Fold 6. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, and Z Flip 6 could also receive the update. Since AI filters are already confirmed for the Galaxy S24, it makes sense that Samsung would expand them to other high-end models. The reason behind this could be that AI filters don't seem to require advanced hardware or extensive processing power, making them compatible with older devices without causing major performance issues. In addition to AI filters, Samsung is also bringing other camera features from the Galaxy S25 to previous models. One of the major additions is log video recording, which was recently introduced to the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the latest One UI 7.0 beta update. Log video recording provides a flat color profile, giving users more flexibility in post-processing and advanced video editing. However, this feature may not be available for all models, as reports suggest that the standard Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will not receive it. The likely reason is that log video requires more processing power, making it suitable only for premium Samsung devices. Samsung has not yet confirmed an official release date for One UI 7.0, but there are strong signs that it will be available soon. The company has recently ended the beta program, which typically means that the stable version is close to being rolled out. Many Galaxy users are eagerly waiting to see if their devices will support these new camera tools and how well AI filters will perform once the update is widely released. If you want to check whether your Samsung phone is eligible for the update, it's best to watch for official announcements from the company or check Samsung's software update pages for details. Bringing AI-powered features to older Galaxy models highlights how software updates can improve user experience without requiring a hardware upgrade. Many people hold on to their devices for several years before upgrading, so having access to new features through updates is a big advantage. If AI filters become available on multiple Galaxy devices, it will allow more users to explore creative photography without needing the latest flagship phone. What do you think about AI filters potentially coming to older Samsung devices? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Samsung's latest features. Apple's latest addition to the iPhone lineup, the iPhone 16e, is here. It offers a more affordable alternative to the standard iPhone 16 models while still packing solid features with a powerful 18 chip, a 48-megapixel camera, and a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It seems like a great option, but one noticeable omission has people talking. MagSafe is missing. For some users, this might not be a deal breaker, but for others, it's a big loss. MagSafe was first introduced with the iPhone 12 series and quickly became a favorite among Apple users. It made wireless charging easier by snapping the charger onto the back of the phone. It also allowed users to attach accessories like wallets, battery packs, and car mounts without extra clips or adhesives. If you've invested in MagSafe accessories over the years, you might be disappointed to find that the iPhone 16e won't support them. So why did Apple decide to remove MagSafe from this model? The most likely reason is cost. The iPhone 16e is designed to be the most budget-friendly model in the iPhone 16 lineup, starting at $599. By cutting MagSafe, Apple likely reduced production costs to keep the price lower. But was it the right decision? For some, MagSafe is just a minor convenience. They might not mind using standard wireless charging, which the iPhone 16e still supports at 15 watts. However, without MagSafe's magnetic attachment, charging won't be as seamless and accessories won't snap into place. There is a potential workaround, third-party cases that include built-in MagSafe rings. These cases can help some MagSafe accessories function, but they won't provide the same experience as having MagSafe built directly into the phone. Despite the absence of MagSafe, the iPhone 16e still delivers solid features. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display ensures vibrant colors and sharp details, making it great for watching videos and browsing. The A18 chip provides smooth performance, handling multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps with ease. The 48-megapixel main camera, combined with a 2x telephoto lens, allows users to capture high-quality images with more detail and better zoom. Apple Intelligence also enhances software and AI-powered features, improving user experience. Storage options are flexible, with 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB models available. However, those who prefer more storage may find the lack of a 1 TB option limiting. Another thing to consider is the color selection. Unlike other iPhone models that come in a variety of shades, the iPhone 16e is only available in black and white. While color may not be a priority for everyone, some users prefer having more choices when picking a phone. So is the iPhone 16e worth it? That depends on what you need in a phone. If MagSafe has been a key part of your iPhone experience and you rely on its accessories, this model might feel like a downgrade. But if you're looking for a more affordable iPhone that still offers strong performance, a high-quality display, and a capable camera, the 16e could be a good choice. What's your take on Apple's decision to remove MagSafe? Would you still consider buying the iPhone 16e, or is this a deal breaker for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Apple might be making a surprising change with the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's raising a lot of questions. A new rumor suggests that instead of keeping the premium titanium frame introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple might switch to aluminum. That's an unusual move, considering how much Apple emphasized titanium as a selling point. So why would they do this? For years, Apple has made sure its Pro models stand out not just with features, but also with materials. The iPhone 14 Pro used stainless steel, and the iPhone 15 Pro introduced titanium, making the phone both lighter and more durable. But now, reports claim that Apple may use aluminum for the entire iPhone 17 lineup, including the standard and Pro models. Interestingly, the rumored ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air could be the only model to keep a titanium frame. This information comes from analyst Jeff Poo, who suggests that Apple may be making the shift for environmental reasons. Aluminum has a lower carbon footprint compared to titanium, and Apple has been working toward reducing its environmental impact. The company has already launched carbon-neutral Apple Watch models and made other products, like the Mac Mini, more sustainable. Switching to aluminum could be another step in its goal to become carbon neutral by 2030. From an environmental perspective, this move seems like a positive step, but from a technical standpoint, aluminum is not as strong as titanium or even stainless steel. Tensile strength, which measures how much stress a material can handle before breaking, clearly favors titanium. It's nearly 3 times stronger than aluminum. Stainless steel is also stronger than aluminum, making this change feel like a downgrade. Additionally, aluminum is more prone to scratches, while titanium is highly resistant to both scratches and corrosion. Aside from durability, materials also play a role in how a device feels. Both titanium and stainless steel offer a premium look and weight, which is why they've been used in high-end smartphones. If Apple does switch back to aluminum, it raises concerns about whether the iPhone 17 Pro will still feel as premium as its predecessors.